What's going on, guys? Adam Snyder here with the Homemade Entrepreneur, and in today's video I want to show you how to make money on Instagram, and specifically how to make between $100 and $250 per day using Instagram itself. Now, what most people don't know about me is I do have a social media marketing company, and we specialize in mainly YouTube and Instagram. Those are our two specialties. Now, I'll talk about YouTube some other time, but for today's video I want to show you and give you step-by-step directions and instructions on how you can make between $100 to $250 per day using Instagram alone. Now, I want you to watch this entire video, okay? And if you have friends, family, whatever over on Facebook, make sure you share this video with them and let them know they can make money as well. All right? I'm going to walk you through the steps. But make sure you watch this entire video, because not only am I going to show you the steps, I'm going to show you how I go about finding these people to sell this service to. So let's hop my computer and I'm going to show you right now how you can start making money. So first thing, yes, we're going to be using Instagram. Okay, you obviously knew that. Here it is. How to make money on Instagram between $100 to $250 per day. I have 4 different packages. A $100 package, $150, $200, $250 package. These are just basic packages that my company sells, all right? So on top of this, I do have other packages, $500, $1,000, $1,500, $2,000, $2,500. Goes up to a $5,000 package just for Instagram itself, all right? So the base package is $100, okay? And you can create different ones. You can really customize it, do all this stuff. But first thing we do, 20 custom Instagram posts. We create these only. We do not post these to anybody's account. The way this works, use a software or an online tool called Canva.com. You can see it right here. All we do is create custom images. I'll put up a little image, and then I'll come over here, click on text, add a heading, custom text here. Okay, just like that. Let me change the color a little bit. We'll change it to white. There we go. Change this. We'll do, who cares? Okay, something like that. There we go. Post it right there. I know it's not centered anyway. And we'll just create custom images using Canva.com. It's a free service, free software. Go and use it. Okay, it's free. You got nothing to lose. So once we do that, once we have the 20 custom Instagram posts, all we do is send them to the client. We just send them either through Dropbox, send them through email, whatever, however they want it. So right here, this is my Homemade Entrepreneur Instagram account. I'm not extremely active, but go follow me anyway. You can see down here, it's a little ways down here. I created some different pictures. So here's some right here. I actually had somebody create some of these for me, and I just kept going with it, and did pretty well. Okay, that's all Canva is. That's the first way to make money. Okay, that's the first thing we do. We create those. Then the second thing, 20 engagement group posts. You probably heard this before, that engagement groups don't work. Well, I'm here to tell you they do work, and they work extremely well. But you have to choose the right group. What most people do is they go on to Telegram and they type in engagement group or Instagram engagement group. And from there, they get all these different random groups with people from health and beauty to fitness to travel to make money online, to cars, to finances, all these different interests. And they try to just use that as their engagement group. And you need to have a very specific engagement group. For example, let's say you like soccer. Great, go find an engagement group on soccer, on sports, or on fitness. Something that is somewhat related to the page that you are actively promoting. If you can't do that, that's where you're going to struggle. That's why engagement groups hardly work for some people, is because they're posting in the wrong engagement group. They're engaging in a completely different niche than they need to be in. Now, if you don't know where to find an engagement group, all you need to do, come over to YouTube, type in Instagram engagement group or Instagram engagement pod. Okay, type that in and then click on groups. It's going to bring you up this big list of Instagram engagement groups. You do not need a group with 10,000 people, 21,000 members. You can do fine with a group of 401. Mom, lifestyle, blog, or Instagram blog engagement pod. Cool. That's perfect. Travel, awesome. Let's see, girl boss, Instagram engagement groups, fashion and beauty, you do not need a huge group. Just find something that is related to your topic. If you can do this, you will be more successful than everybody else. That's another thing we include. And we do one engagement group post for every engagement or Instagram post that we create. As soon as that person posts it, which will follow their account, we'll get notifications, and as soon as we get that notification, we will go and share that over on different engagement groups. Next thing, 4 Facebook group mentions. This is pretty simple. What we do here is, let's say I wanted to promote a soccer page. I would come type in World Cup Russia, okay? Because right now as I'm doing this, the World Cup is still going on. What I would do is I'd come over here and I'd find just different groups. Let me click on them. Okay? So I'd find different groups and I'd go and join as many of the groups as I could. And then I'd go and I'd just mention the page. So all I do is, like it says right here, group mentions. Okay? I'm going to this Facebook group and I'm going to mention my or the actual Instagram account that I'm promoting. I'm going to very subtly mention the account. And that, oh, I just put up a post on the 3 best World Cup soccer players in the 2018 World Cup. Who are they? The best goal. Let me rank them. Go and comment on that post. That's all I'm gonna do. It's very simple. It's not, hey, click on this link. Go buy my product. Go buy these shoes. It's not that type of post. Okay, we're not trying to get a sale. We're trying to get engagement over on the post. Because once we do that, the more engagement you get on all your posts, it's actually going to start to show up on the Explore page. And once that does, what's going to happen is you'll start to get more organic followers very quickly. All right? So that's all I'm doing for that one. It's all I'm doing for this one. I'm just increasing my numbers. Okay, this one is pretty much the same thing. However, we added 10 Reddit posts. Let me show you how we go about doing that. Okay, so all we're going to do is come to reddit.com. There we are. We're going to click on this and soccer training. Let's type that in. Okay. So all we're going to do here is sorted by relevance. We're going to click on new. Come down here. Let's get out of these job things. Next. So much going on in the Navy Yard this month. Check it out. All-Star Baseball. All we're gonna do is let's type in something else. Soccer. Let's type that in. All right. So Modric, Kovacic or something for Rain could win the Golden Double this year, the World Cup and Champions League. All we gotta do is come over here, read this. Okay, we can click on it. Okay, come over here, we'll read this, and then we'll come over here and we'll comment. We'll comment, but we will also add a link to our page, okay, to our Instagram account, okay, to the actual post that we have, okay. That's all we're going to do. It's very, very simple to add those 10 or do 10 Reddit posts, okay, very simple. Once you do this, what you're going to see is people will start to click on the link. They will start to follow you on that account. They will start to interact with you. Okay. Some accounts won't let you post links. Some of the subreddits, not accounts, some of these subreddits will not let you post a link to some other page or to anything. So all you gotta do is you put let's say you do, instead of going HTTP like that and www mypagehere.com. Okay, what you're going to do is you're just going to go to, just write, check it out here. Then something like that, and then mypagehere.com. Okay, so it's not an actual link. If you do that, people will just click on that, they will highlight it, and they'll post it in their browser. It's pretty simple, all right? As far as the $250 package, what we're doing is we pretty much have this $100 package, okay? We have this right here, 20 custom posts. What we're doing is we're giving them triple, so they're saving $50 on that package, plus they're getting more than double of the Facebook group mentions, and they're also getting 15 Reddit posts, okay? The benefit of doing this is most people are going to opt for this package right here. In the beginning, they won't. In the beginning, they'll probably go with this one, okay? almost always they go for the main small package, smallest one they get to test out the service. Okay, but what you need to do is after the first month, okay, these are all monthly, which means that's why you can make between $100 and $250 per day, is you have to sell one per day. And I'm going to show you how to do that in just a second. But most people will opt for this one for the very first month. After that, they will go for something more like this. They'll go for something that's going to save them more money, get them more results. Here is what you need to understand. Nobody is going to keep paying you for something if they don't see any results. So what you have to do is you have to provide some type of results. That means more engagement on their posts. You have to provide that hopefully their account is growing. If they're getting 1 to 2 new followers a day on their account and they're paying you, $3 to $10 per day, they're probably not going to keep it going that far, okay, for much longer. They'll do it for 1 month and they'll think, okay, it's not really worth it, so they're done. That's not what you want. You want somebody that's going to every single month, okay, I need this, I need this, I need this, or I need this, it worked really good, but I need more. I want my business to grow faster. How can you help? That's where your other packages really come in. So for this, I'm going to stick to the same trend, same topic of soccer or the World Cup. I'm just going to come up here and we're going to search like, let's see, Ronaldo, okay? We're going to type in Ronaldo, Cristiano Ronaldo, right there. So what's going to happen is we're probably not going to be able to promote or get him to promote, obviously pay us. That's not going to happen. What we want to do is we want to find companies or things that are up here in the top post, okay? That's what we want to do. Okay, we're going to find different ones. Say this one right here, FC Barcelona is my drug. Let's click on that. Let's see, they have 5,000 followers. Chances are they're not going to pay us when they don't have very many followers, right? Pretty simple. So they're not going to pay us. Let's go find somebody else. Style Worksery, okay? 848 followers. They're not going to pay us. Let's go find somebody else. Let's see this one right here, Cristiano Ronaldo Jr. I don't think that's actual. So they're not going to pay us, okay? Let's just type in soccer right there. Soccer skills. Okay? Type that in, soccer skills, football rain, right there, 8,000. They're probably not going to pay us that much, okay? Let's keep going. This one right here. Then this is all I do, okay? Footy IHD 7, 687,000 followers. You can see they have a decent amount of engagement. They're doing a lot of videos, so that might be a little bit harder to do because you're not going to be able to promote these packages, because if you're only doing Instagram posts, it's probably not going to happen. But if you can put together the videos, then yes, you will be able to do this, all right? So if you can put together, so we can watch a little video really quick, but if you put together this style of video, what's going to happen, okay, is you can actually sell them the video. Pretty simple. All right? So that would be one right there. Actually, let's actually go here. Let's see. Let's try to find some other ones. So here's another one right here. This one is called Foot Ahead, 176,000 followers. You can see they have a lot of engagement, okay? 49,000, 21, 13. Again, these are videos, okay? All these are videos, okay? So I try to find something that isn't just videos, or just change up your package and make it work. Some will require more videos. Soccer, probably not the best one for static posts, but if you were to do something like keto weight loss, type that in. What's going to happen here? Let's say we just click on one, sugar freebie, okay, 8,000. No, she's probably not really promoting anything there. Let's see. Let's just click on a couple of these. Calorie tips, 312,000 followers. Okay. You can probably come over here and get a decent amount of, you can probably make some money off this, okay? Because it would be very simple to create some type of viral post, something like this, liquid breakfast versus real food, burrito versus salad bowl, pre-cut fruit versus whole fruit. you can easily make money off stuff like this, because I guarantee you it would not take you a lot of time to create something this unique and different. All right, that's how simple this business is, and creating different packages just like this one. So let me give you a tip. All right, right now people and businesses are just flooding to Instagram. They're going to Instagram and promoting the crap out of whatever it is they can, their business. And they're doing this because Instagram is growing very, very fast right now. Okay? And they have been. But what you need to understand is Instagram isn't going to keep going the same speed, same rate it is right now. It's not going to keep, doubling and tripling in size. It's not going to keep doing that. But what is going to happen is at some point, once all these businesses get on Instagram and all these other companies like mine and maybe hopefully yours as well start to promote them, what's going to happen is there's going to be more businesses out there promoting these companies than there really needs to be. And that's when you see a kind of downturn. That's what happened years ago when I was creating websites for different companies. Is I was creating not only websites but actual physical blogs for these companies, and they did very well. However, my business took a hit once I started to really get so many people their websites, and once other people started promoting it, and websites kind of took a downturn. That's what's going to happen with Instagram. But for the time being, get out there, find these clients, start making money, because it's so easy to make money, but you have to put in the work. I guarantee you the money's out there, but if you do not put in the work, there's no money for you. All right? So I've actually created a couple different videos on how to make money on Instagram, different ways to earn a living off of Instagram itself. So I'm going to put those videos down in the description box below. Go check them out. There's a lot of different ways to make money with Instagram. Those are just two methods. This one is kind of encompassing a few different twists to it, but at the same time, find out what you do very well. Okay, figure out what your customer or your client's pain point is, what they are struggling with, and offer a service that can benefit them and their company. If you do that, you will be successful. So hopefully you enjoyed today's video. If you did, make sure you hit that thumbs up button. Go watch one of the other videos down in the description box below. Make sure you subscribe if you haven't done so already, and I'll see you guys on the next one.